I haven't been uploading for the past couple days because I've been a little bit down because I saw LiveLeak's unofficial cat. Obviously, the official dog is Spud, Hayden's pup, but I saw the unofficial cat get run over, and she wasn't ours, but she was Luna. If you look through my videos, you can see her. I just hate seeing that type of shit. If a dude with an AK-47 gets mowed down, alright, he had a chance. But animals... Anyways, just want to give you a heads up to all that give a shit. Yeah, so Luna, cheers. LiveLeak, cheers. Haters, fuck yourselves. Yeah.